Hello everyone, I'm Veena Gandhi, Assistant Professor from Department of BCA Science. In previous session, you have learned the design tool called as algorithm. Now in this session, you will learn another tool known as flowchart for problem solving. In this session, you will learn what is a flowchart, basic symbols used in flowchart, examples of flowchart, and difference between algorithm and flowchart, and some assignment. What is a flowchart? A flowchart is a diagrammatic or graphical representation of an algorithm. As you know, one picture is worth 1,000 words. In a similar manner, a flowchart is a pictorial representation of steps which are used for problem solving. It contains shapes and symbols which are used to show order of steps. Let us see what symbols are used in flowchart. The first symbol is called as terminal. It is also known as start or stop symbol. It represents the start and end of the flowchart. Next symbol is input or output symbol. It is also known as data. It is used for input and output operation like read A, print B, etc. Next symbol is process. It is used for arithmetic operation and data manipulation. For example, sum equal to a plus b. Let sum equal to 0. For these statements, we can use this process symbol. Next symbol is decision. It is used for decision making between two or more alternatives. For example, if A is greater than B, in that case we want to know whether A is greater than B, yes or no. So in this case we can use the decision symbol. Next symbol is flow line, arrow. It is used to denote the direction of logic flow. Next symbol is on-page connector. It is used to join different flow lines, or it connects separate elements across the same page, or it connects two or different parts of the flow chart on a same page. Next symbol is off-page connector. It is used to connect the flowchart portion on a different page. Predefined process. This symbol represents a group of statements that perform some specific task. Normally it is used to show procedure or function used in programming language. Let us see some example of flowchart. Flowchart to check number is even or odd. In last video we have seen the algorithm to check whether given number is even or odd. Normally flowchart is drawn in top-down fashion. Now first step is start. It is indicated by terminal symbol. Next step is accept number or read a number. For that we use the input and output symbol. Next we want to check number is divisible by 2. For that we use the decision symbol to indicate the condition. If remainder is 0, if yes, then we'll print number is even in input and output symbol. If remainder is not 0, then we will print odd number. After that we will stop the process. Next flowchart to find sum of digit. We have also seen algorithm for this in last video. So first step is a start, indicated by terminal symbol. Next step is a read number n. For that we use input and output symbol. Now next step is we initialize the sum and remainder to 0. For that we use the process symbol. Next symbol is to find sum of digits. We use the steps that we divide the number by 10, then add the remainder into some variable. Now we repeat this process until that number becomes 0. Now we check first n equal to 0. If no, then we find the remainder by n mod 10, then add that remainder into sum, then we divide that number again by 10 and store in a n variable. Again we check if number is equal to 0. If yes, then we will print the sum. Means this process is repeated till that number becomes 0. After that we stop the flowchart. Let us see some difference between algorithm and flowchart. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. A flowchart is a diagram which contains different steps to show the flow of data. Algorithm is very complex to understand. Flowchart is easy to understand. In algorithm, plain text is used. In flowchart, we use shapes and symbols. Algorithm is easy to debug and modify. Flowchart is very difficult to debug and modify. Algorithm is a pseudocode for any programming language. Flowchart is just a graphical presentation of that logic. Now let us see some assignment. Multiple choice question. Which symbol is used to represent a process in a flowchart? So we use a rectangle to represent the process. Which of the following symbol is used to indicate a condition? So we use decision symbol to indicate the condition. You can try this question as assignment. Define a flowchart. Explain the basic symbols used in flowchart. Differentiate between algorithm and flowchart. Draw flowchart to check whether the number is prime or not. Thank you for watching this video.